Okay, so first of all, let's just go and write the initials of my channel, Sloppy to Rocky, in short S2R. And then let me just increase its size and then center align it. After that, I'll give it a font of Helvetica, increase its font thickness and make it bold. I'll just realign a bit and increase size a tad bit. So now I'm going to fill text within text, but before I can do that, I need sample text. A very simple way to do that is to click here on text tool and then simply click and drag like so, and it will really fill up the text for you. Now I'm going to put this text within these letters, but before I can do that, I need to work on these letters to make it possible to fill it with text. For that, let me just press right click and then click on create outline. Once it gets converted to an outline, I'll go up in here in objects and then go down to compound path and press release. I'll then right click again and press ungroup so that all the letters are individually separate so that I can work with them. And finally, I'll fill this little part of the R with white color before we proceed. Next, I will select the text and then again select the text tool and then bring the mouse cursor very close to the path. The moment the path gets highlighted, I'll just click it and it will fill the letter with the text. Now I'll do the same with the rest of the letters as well. Right now the text within does not look really nicely placed. I'll edit it and bring it to the center. So for that, let's just select the letter S and go into the properties panel and down to the paragraph settings, and the first thing I need to do is to center align the text like so. The next thing I can do is to play around with the text settings here. I can increase or decrease the size of the text. I can also go on changing the spacing between the lines. I can increase it, I can decrease it, and keep on working with the text size as long as I get what I really want to have. Then I'll quickly do the same with the next two letters as well. And with that, I have the text the way I want it to have. Now I can play around and change its color. Let's try and see what I can do with it. Let me just try and give it a magenta here. And let me just remove this text as well from here. And also I'll just move this text to the center and increase its size to my heart's content before I go on and add a background to this beautiful text. I'll give it a nice yellow background. Let's just increase the size a little bit more. I'll play around with the colors a bit before settling in onto this nice dark purple or a mauve color that we say. So I'm almost done. The only last thing that I want to do is to bring the text closer to one another. That's it. It's now complete. Now it's your time to go back and practice it. And at the same time, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that I stay motivated and keep on building more.